Kick na!
Close your mouth. No, you will not drown because of your protein.
But it doesn't have enough air. Because it opened so many times already.
Oh, did you drown? Did you drown? Did you drown? Oh, did you drown? Oh, stop talking and do what I say. Go, kick and then circular motion.
Because it's too deep.
Don't talk too much. Go, circular motion and then kick. Go. Yan, good. Ganyan.
You watch our video later. You're floating on your own.
Circular motion. How come you will move?
I cannot do it.
Do like this.
I need somebody to hold me.
Paano pag wala si coach, nag-swimming kayo, oh? Paano ka matututo kung may taong hawak sa'yo, di ba? Oh.
I need that.
No. You have your floaty eh. Oh, go kick. Kick. Oh, do the circular motion continuously. Go. Oh, you're stopping kasi. You're stopping eh. I said don't stop. No. You will drown because you stop. I said don't stop. Okay?
Doon mo ilagay sa 10 feet, coach.
Listen to me. Listen to me, ha? Continue the kick. Continue the circular motion for you not to drown. Okay?
Lights raining.
Oh, what I say? What did I say? For you to? Okay, oh. 1, 2, 3, go. Kick. Kick. Go kick. Circular motion. Kick. Circular motion. Good. Continue.
Kick na!
Continue it. Continue. Go. Go. It's raining na, oh. Mababasa yung sinampay namin. Dali, mababasa tayo. Umuulan na. Go kick. Dali, it's raining. You will get wet. Go kick harder. Do the circular motion. I said, di ba? Close your mouth. I said, do the circular motion. You're not doing it, oh. Oh. Yan. Good. Oh. Continue kick. Go. Continue the kick. Go. Go.
Don't cry!
You can do it. Go.
Yan, very good.
Kick. Kick. Good.
Very good, Sean. Very good.
Go. Go. Kick harder, Sean. For you to move. Yan. Go. Go. Kick harder. You can do it. Stop crying. Close your mouth. You might get drink water. Go. Kick. Kick harder.